In today's video, we'll talk about why your Cisco AP is blinking red and green and how to fix it. A blinking red and green light on your Cisco AP typically indicates a power supply issue. On average, a Cisco AP needs approximately 19.5 watts from its switch, which equates to about 25.5 watts on the panel. If it is receiving less power, the LED light will blink red and green. To rectify this problem, first, connect to the AP and issue the command show logging. You can also directly check the AP log from the device. If the power is insufficient, try changing the IP to another switch. Another possibility is that the AP and the wireless LAN controller WLC are not in the same network. For the AP to send out IP addresses to clients, it must be properly configured with the WLC. If the AP and WLC are not configured correctly, the device will flash red and green. To fix this, log into the AP and prime it with Cisco Prime or use the appropriate command for your model, which you can find online. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.